Hello, today I will be showing you how to access the database JSTOR. JSTOR is a digital library that provides access to a vast collection of academic journals, books, and primary sources in many different subject areas. It's mostly used by researchers, students, and academics to find scholarly articles, papers, and other resources for their studies or work. So the first step is to visit Bewley Library's website. Next, you are going to go to Find a Database and search JSTOR. Next, you're going to press Go. This will bring you to JSTOR's website. And for example, I'm going to search Andy Warhol because I want to learn more about him and his work. So I will choose the document Andy Warhol Remembered. Within this article, there are 5 pages talking about Andy Warhol and his artwork. In addition, images are provided. So the step 5 is there is an AI tool within this database. And in order to use this tool, you have to create a JSTOR account, which I have. And if you already have a JSTOR account, you can log in. Once you are logged in, you will see a beta research tool in the top right corner of the screen. In order to use the tool, you have to make sure the toggle is on. So as you can see, I have mine on. So for example, I'm going to ask it, what are the key points of this article? This will generate topics within the article ranging from artistic process, portraits, and themes and cultural impact, which will make it easier and quicker for me to understand the main points and give me a better understanding of Andy Warhol and his work, and tell me which page I can find the information provided. It can also offer you other related information and publications in JSTOR on your topic. Just click Show Related Content or Recommended Topics at the bottom of the research window box, which is right here. You can also download this information as a PDF. Lastly, you want to cite your sources, and JSTOR makes it easy. You want to go to the Cite button at the top of the article and choose which format you want, and you can copy and paste this into your citation page. So the Cite button is right here. You're going to press Cite, and it shows the different formats that you could cite this article. So the key benefits of JSTOR is it gives you access to high quality scholarly content. It's a vast collection of peer-reviewed journals, books, and primary sources across multiple disciplines. It provides historical archives. JSTOR offers archived journals that date back to the 19th century, allowing users to access historical academic research. In addition, there is citation support. JSTOR provides easy-to-use citation tools that automatically generate citations in multiple formats. Lastly, there are advanced search features and AI tools, allowing users to search by keywords, making it easier to find specific information within an article, helpful toward the user's project. So the AI tools here. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in your research papers or other assignments this semester. Thank you for watching.